Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee haka arpu Ïatreilang nailat arja arpu sau kalau lumnya ke Jingthmu jong baro ki noi lambat ki nongkit kam nak keleng ki block bat constituency karilum khasi jantia halor ke jingpen klanya ke parti kam tam hadian ke jinglet yesok laingot ki MLA ke parti syaka National People's Party menha ka khat khandai Ïatreilang nailat arja arpu sau Naki jingkran haka ni ke Jingthmu kalau mi ke benta ke beyadai halor ke Ïatreilang ke Congress bat ke NPP haki KHADC ke MPCC kalau syamnya ke rai ban haki MDC ke parti ban rai lakin weng ni kindang Bteng jingkersan ya ke Executive Committee ke KHADC kumban syukudau baka Congress kadan setang arngot ki MDC haki KHADC katau ba pensingan NCM uba batru ya kam kumu Deputy Chief Executive Member baru ba Ronnie V Lingdo uba dairu MLA kemelim.
The main discussions today is, number one is that this council will be, I think, within 6 or 7 months from now. So the selections of candidate, the scrutiny of candidate has to be started at the block level, then to the district level, and will send up to the MPCC. Some of the areas we may have already had the candidates, so we'll try to announce the candidate in appropriate time, and some of the areas we need to scrutiny more, so we'll take time. This is our instructions to the workers.
Haba pensai susu halor kene uba pensingan ulang bah ke Ïatreilang bat ke NPP kila don bun kimat kibla syem kum ke KHADC. Ulang bamenta ke don ke jingpen krek ke sarkar India ban penbet ya ke kernit bahinriu kariti sensar bat kumta ki kamru kila ya cekmat hakaba kila ai jingmut kumno ban Pynkylla ya ka.
During the last 1 year, when we are working together with NPP, you should learn so many things that we have contributed in the district council. In terms of regulations and rules, for small example, we have passed many bill and amendment for the interest of our people. That is number one. Number two, as sir already briefed you, we are enduring a very important situation where the process for amendment of the 6th bill is going on. I think you all know, not only NPP, Congress, but all MDC, we work together to see that the amendment of the 6th bill should be the advantage for us. I think you understand that we work together with the very intention for the interest of our people as per our tradition, custom. Many ilakas, Hima also has introduced the bill for the respective ilakas. We work together to speed up many important issues for the interest of our people. Yes, it's very true. In our today meeting, the voice of our party workers, why not we relook on the working together this people? We all agree with you that this has been endorsed to the President and along with state leaders to discuss on this issue. Because I think you understand, it is not appropriate for us to act anything in a very hurried, because we are wherever we are. We have only one objective, to do the best for our people.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya